Namaste, this is S.K. Batindaraman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, we discussion about a adverse drug event or adverse drug effect. Adverse effect is a undesirable or unintended or it's a adverse effect is any desirable or unintentional. Intense that they are no intense for any consequence for any of drug administration happened. It say that the drug is but adverse effect is any undesirable, unintended consequence of drug administration. It is broad term including all kind of toxicous effect, trivial, serious, and even fertile. For the purpose of detecting or qualifying only those adverse effect of drug which is of some important occur of ordinary therapeutic setting. The term of adverse drug reaction ADR has been defined as any toxic changes which is suspected due to the drug occur at the dose normal using in requirement treatment of decrease the dose of intermediate gas of teacher using same drug. Definition is rooted of trivial and unexpected adverse effect and poisoning and overdose. Author term adverse event has been used to mean to intolerable medical occurrence that present during the treatment with medicament or medicine, but which does not necessarily has been causes of relationship with treatment. The idea of decode all adverse event first and look for casual only while analyze the full data. All drugs are capable to produce any adverse effect, and whenever a drug are given in risks of taking, magnitude risks of consideration is along with magnitude of expected therapeutic beneficial whether they are used to not use in particular drug given present. Even risks of bone marrow depression may be just by treatment of cancer, while drowsiness causes for antihistaminic in treatment commonly cold effect in unacceptable. Adverse drug may be developed promotably or only for prolonged medicament or even though stopping of drug. Adverse drug effect not rare. It is a very different clinical setting. They are more common while multiple drug therapy. In the elderly, adverse effects are classified in many ways. One way is divide them into predictable type A argument reaction. These are the basically pharmacological property of drug. That means that they are argument and the qualitative normal response to the drug intent including side effect, toxic effect, consequence of drug withdrawal. They are more common. Those are related to most of the presentable and reversible, unpredictable. Type B, the reaction. They are based on particular of the patient, not drug, known as action include allergic, idiosympathetic, or idiopathic reaction are there is less common for non-doses related generic more of the serious and requirement withdrawal of the drug. Some of those reactions are can predictable and prevent their genetical basic known as substitute test of characteristic individual phenotype of perform. Several drug adverse effect has been there are minor, moderate, and severe. Minor is the no therapeutic antidote, and the prolong of hospitalized are required, not required. Any kind of side effect in antidote or any kind of hospitalization required for minor. Moderate are required for changing drug therapy and specific treatment and prolonged hospitalized state by the alternative one. Severe potential life-threatening causes for permanent damage required for any medicament and treatment. Lethal for direction and indirection contributed or to the death of patient. Okay, thank you so much for hearing about a adverse drug event.